Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add watermark in OBS Studio. Now doing this is pretty easy. First of all, open OBS Studio, then under sources we need to click on this plus icon, then select image. Now you can name the image you want to name. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, then select OK. Now we need to add our image file, so click on browse, then locate the folder where your watermark is stored. So this is the image which I want to use. I'll select it, then select open. Now the image will be selected and click on OK. Now to reposition it, just drag it and place it where you want to place it. So let's say I want to place it on right corner. I'll just select it and drag it there. Now to adjust the size, just drag these handles of the corner and the size can be changed. So I'll place it here. Now to change the opacity, right click on the image source, then go to filters, then click on this plus icon and select color correction and click OK. After that you can adjust the opacity to whatever you want. So let's say I want to set it to this and then click on close. Now if I minimize my OBS Studio, you will be able to see watermark on top right. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.